Alright, I don't know what kind of content I need to be uploading on my YouTube channel, but I'm trying different stuff to see what happens. This is a European skull mount that I done on a deer I shot this year, 2021. Well, this is 2022 now, but I shot it in hunting season 2021 on Thanksgiving Day, 6-pointer. I'm trying to upload the video of this hunt, but I'm not having any luck. I don't know. My new iPhone, the video is not the same format as my old laptop. It won't read the video when I try to take it off my iPhone and put it on my laptop. I haven't figured that out yet, but anyway, I have the hunt recorded for this deer, but I done a couple European mounts that were just normal white European mounts, and they look good. But I really like doing this funky stuff, and I'll show you why here in a minute. But that's the 6-pointer that I got this year on Thanksgiving, and this one over here is a 9 that I killed. Either was 2017 or 2018. I think it was 2017, November, and it was a nice 9. It's the most mature deer I've ever killed. It doesn't have the tallest rack that I've ever shot. I've killed an 8-pointer that's just got a little bit longer tines, but this one has huge bases, and it was a really mature deer. But this is how I like to do my European mounts now. I'm kind of funky sometimes. I do funky stuff, but I think it's wild. And here's the ultimate reason why I like to do it. I got a black light in here in my bathroom. So yeah, just wanted to share.